Steve.
Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Tell me what we're doing today.
Today we're going to remove or install a brick that you purchased with your engraving on it.
Yes.
We're going to pull this blank one out and install it here.
This is the blank one right here?
This is the blank one.
Okay.
And the new one's in my truck.
Yeah.
So we'll remove this one and then set that one for you and put it in its final resting place forever.
Forever. Oh, I like the sound of that. Okay, cool.
Yes, I had the great honor to working hand in hand with the EAA on this project. In 2024, we had already decided on where to place my stone on the famous Brown Arc at the Whitman Regional Airport in Oshkosh.
Parker, pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you guys. So here's what we do. There's a whole scheme out here of bricks that are laid out. There's a biplane that's imprinted in different colored bricks out there. And then all the locations of the bricks are printed alphabetically this way and
numerically the other way.
Yes, okay. Numerically the other way. If you buy a whole brick for $1,200, which includes the engraving on all of the choices.
Understood. Yeah.
Okay, except for perhaps some kind of artwork that you want to put on. That would be a little extra. You'd have to talk to the design team about how to work that in with your script.
Understood. Mm-hmm.
You do get to pick your location of the available ones that are left.
Wonderful.
Okay. A lot of the ones in the center are taken, however, but there's still plenty on both sides of the Brown Arch itself.
Fantastic. I would go for a full brick.
Okay.
To put my logo on there, a nice little quote below that.
Okay.
And then, this is...
Well, I suggest we find something.
Yeah, let's do that.
That we could look at the brick and we could also look at the arch itself. So if somebody wanted to, they could take a picture of your brick and in the background have the Brown Arch. Fairly simple.
I like the sound of that.
All right,
let's do that.
Let's go out there and see. We can see numerically what we have here.
Okay,
all the way down. And we can see number-wise all the way up here.
Okay, good.
And it goes all the way through the hole.
Fantastic.
We can also see an example here of a quarter.
That's a quarter brick then,
and a half.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Fantastic.
And then we can come over here and see an example of a full brick.
Yeah.
And there's an example of a full brick.
Yeah. All right. Lovely.
Now we can also show you what some of the artwork looks like when it's selected.
Okay. Cool. So if we want to go with a placement far up front where people actually take the picture of the arc, how do we go about it then?
This is the biplane.
Yeah.
As I showed you before, this is what we're looking at.
Yeah. Okay.
And I suggest that we look up in this area here.
Yeah.
That's just perhaps my favorite area.
Okay, good.
To find something that's in the center.
Yeah.
Or close to the center.
Because I'm assuming that a lot of people are taking pictures roughly in the middle here because the arch is here.
Exactly.
So if we can place a brick right there, then
you could get a picture of the brick and the arch itself. If you were over here, that would be more difficult.
The next, if you would take the picture here, the one the closest
is that
Alpha Kilo 29er.
29er.
Okay, this would be it?
This is it.
Perfect. Slightly off center, but nevertheless, really, really cool. Okay, so we'll choose this brick next to the family Oshkosh adventure here. And, all right, fantastic. Now, I would kind of like to know, Parker, where does the money go when I buy the brick?
Well, the money goes to an EAA foundation, and it's a 501c3.
Okay.
And so it's tax deductible.
Okay, good.
That might be important to some people.
Yeah.
But, and that's it. And it goes for all of our projects.
All right. Okay. Lovely.
It goes to foundation money. So,
is there a chance that some of my viewers could actually donate money towards the EAA? Is that
I imagine so.
Okay. Good. All right.
And we can get the details if you want.
Cool.
Who to do that. But,
sounds good.
Absolutely. There's always donations accepted.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Yeah, it's a great program, and you'll be here forever.
I'll be here forever. It's now time to fill out my credentials and basically reserve the brick for next year. So let's do this. But then you have the Captain Joe logo, a good pilot is always earning, and maybe my signature will be down here in the corner. It's going to look great. I am really looking forward to next year. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That'll be it. Thank you so much, Parker. Appreciate you. Thank you. Okay, you can already tell a lot of people are taking pictures right there of the arc. So this placement is going to be great. I'm looking forward to see the Captain Joe logo in here. A good pilot is always learning, and maybe another extra code that's going to be here. That's going to be really, really good. Nice.
Everything's spot right, everything's good. Perfect. That's what they approved.
The EAA has a wonderful team of people who were so kind to record the stone engraving, which was all done in the Oshkosh area to give you a first-hand look of what the process looks like.
I'm just gonna pop all the letters out like this. And then you can see it leaves you with being able to see through. Oh, sure. Mm-hmm.
I had no idea how much work went into making of the stone, as I was in the impression of it being just laser cut rather than sandblasted. It was important to me to get my famous statement onto the stone, making sure that every pilot who sees the stone gets this gentle reminder that a good pilot is always learning.
How do you lift it? Do we need to scrape out the sand of the side of it?
So what we're going to do first is we'll scrape out the sand, and then we have two special lifters that will lift the entire brick. The brick weighs about 125 pounds.
Oh, okay.
So it takes two of us to kind of lift it.
Okay.
We'll set it to the side, do our final clean out, and then we're ready to install the new one.
Lovely.
And then reinstall everything.
But it's not a suction. You don't.
It's not a suction. We have that machine, but we just do manual brute force and lift it.
Lift it. All right, lovely. Then let's get to it.
All right, sounds good.
I'm ready to get my hands
ready.
All right,
let's go get everything.
Okay, cool.
So he's the one who actually does all the work.
Yeah.
I just do all the pretty designs.
Pretty designs, okay. All right, this is it.
This is it.
Nice.
So we'll pull this.
Wow, this is the first time I actually see it. Look at this.
I almost sent you a picture, but then I'm like, no, I'll wait to let you see it for the first time.
Wow, this is really nice. Oh, man. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh, this is really good. This is really good. The proportions are amazing. Yes, cool, man. Cool.
And then yours was on top, so I knew exactly which one it was. And...
Cool.
On an average year, we'll put in 60 to 80 of these.
No way.
So this year, I think there was 58 this year.
Wow.
So
okay, that many.
It takes a crew of probably 6 of us.
Yeah.
About 4 hours to remove these and put those back in.
Yeah. Oh!
You have to set it straight back.
Yeah. Nice.
That's it.
That was easy.
Stephen and his mate were absolute gentlemen, so incredibly helpful about the entire project. So here, just a brief shout out to him and his company. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate your help and work.
Now, this should be the easier part.
This should be the easier part. Okay. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, buddy. Nice.
I think it's one of the new ones.
Yeah, the newest stone. Yeah. Okay.
So this is just regular mason sand.
Yeah.
That we sleep in the joints. So one, it just locks everything together, so there's no shifting.
I like this. Really, really good.
Flip that up just on low and just stay a distance away and just gently. All you're trying to do is move the sand off of it.
You ready, Julian? All right, here we go. Yeah, money! Woohoo! This is so cool. Oh my God, this is so cool. I love it. This is really, really nice. Perfect job, mate.
Yes.
I'm happy. I'm really happy. This
Absolutely.
Is really
It looks beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Wonderful. And this brings us to the end of this video and to a very, very proud moment of mine that this stone is now placed here at the Brown Ark at EAA Airventure. And if you are here, please come by, take a picture of this stone. Send it to me, tag me in it, and I'll love to repost that picture. So this is my proudest moment here. I hope to see you guys very soon. Maybe meet you up here at the EAA Airventure. I'm going to be here in Oshkosh every year, presumably. And on that bombshell, here is your checklist today. Subscribe to my channel. Check. Activate the notification mode. Check. Follow my Instagram account. Check. A good pilot is always learning. Wishing you all the best. Your Captain Joe.